Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to share a very latest AI-based platform where you can plan a lesson, brainstorm with AI and find an activity. This tool is quite different with existing AI tools as you can create very specific lesson plan by just entering your requirement. You need to sign in first. I'm using my Google ID to sign in. Once you sign in, you can find all tools available here. So you can create lesson and brainstorming and active learning library. So I would like to share very quickly active learning library. This is an amazing library. There are filters in terms of difficulty, preparation time, class size, and you can see a lot of strategies are already available. These strategies are designed to match 21st century learning skills requirements. So let's try one brainstorming tool. So it's very simple. First of all, you have to enter the learning objective. So I'm writing down my course name. Let's say chemistry. Now I need to write down lesson topic. Let's say chemical reaction. Press next. Now you need to write down what learning objectives are required. So let me write down. Once you start writing, you can see there are a lot of suggestions based on Bloom's taxonomy are there. So you can choose any one from the following. So let me start from the lower level, remembering, and then you can go for a little higher order. Let's say analyzing, and third I'm going to select applying. So you can see here with the topic they will suggest amazing learning objectives based on Bloom's taxonomy. This is really interesting and very useful. You need to click more ideas, and after the learning objective you can select the lecture topics. Again AI will generate the lecture topics. So you can see here a lot of topics has been generated. You can choose according to your requirements. All are relevant to the chemical reaction, for example chemical equilibrium, reaction kinetics, and so on. So you can choose your relevant topic. I'm choosing oxidation reduction reactions, and then I can go for discussion questions as well. So there are discussion questions. You can select discussion question accordingly. Also you can create case studies. This is really amazing. With this brainstorming tool, you can make your lesson more effective and more interesting. Once you finish, you can click on brainstorm history to save this. And if you have any difficulty, you can watch a demo video also.
The new brainstorming tool.
I tried a lot of tools and I found it really amazing. So you can see here your brainstorm session is already saved. Similarly, you can try lesson builder, also pedagogy list. This is an amazing source powered by AI. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.